Hi everyone, it's been a while since I've done some milling, so I wanted to catch up on a little bit of it. I've got this log here behind me. It's a white pine log. I already milled some of it. The issue was that my saw, it's a Stihl 090, behind that symbol right there is a fan wheel, and behind that is a flywheel. And my flywheel broke. I don't know how that happened, but the flywheel where it goes on the crankshaft broke off, and it was not simple to get the part that broke off since you can't get a puller on it. So I had to do some tricky stuff. It involved some welding directly to the chainsaw, real close to the crankshaft, but luckily everything was okay. Kind of made a puller and pulled it off. It broke while I was milling this log here. It's a white pine. This one is about, I'd say 33 or so inches in its biggest diameter. And this is one of the smaller logs. The two largest logs I still have to mill, and I already milled another one. So it's been sitting a little bit, so it's not absolutely fresh. I have had it covered up. That's why it's still so light colored. This is what it looks like when it's uncovered. This is where something was covering it. Sun does a lot, sun and water. So top of the log's got some cracks in it. It looks like it only goes about an inch. So I've set my mill to 1 1/4 inches. I'm going to take a cut off first and see if that crack is out of it. If it's not, I'll take another 1 1/4 inches, and these are giving me good boards to make tabletops out of. So let me get the saw fired up. Again, it hasn't been run much, and it certainly hasn't been run hard in months. So I'm going to get her warmed up and then make some cuts. Had a little breakdown. As you could see, I got all the way to there in the cut and the saw stopped. It just turned off. It didn't do any weird noises, it just turned off. And so I assumed it was far more complicated than it really was. So I took the side cover there, it's the starting mechanisms down in there, removed the fan, pulled the flywheel off. I was blowing it all out with an air compressor, taking sandpaper to things, cleaning everything up in there. And then it hit me, this is a chainsaw. They're all dirty and they still run, so I figured it wasn't that. And also, after doing all that, I wasn't getting any spark. I took the spark plug out, unscrewed it, kept the boot on there, and made contact with the saw and then pulled on the rope, and there was no spark. It'll be a strong blue spark with this saw. And what I ended up doing was finally, I was like, well, maybe something's wrong with my kill switch. So I just wiggled the wire, pulled the rope again, and got a spark. So about 1.5 hours of fooling with this saw, and all it was a loose connection on the kill switch. Basically, it was shorting the saw out. So there you have it. I'm going to finish this cut up, maybe make a few more, redeem myself, have a little fun. seem to be running good, so I am going to make another cut, and we'll cut till it gets dark. It's at 7 something now, summertime, gets dark late. So the center of the tree is right here. So scale-wise, a second, I like this impromptu video. The pip is 3 inches down on this side. Then on this side, it is a little less, well, it's about 3 3/4, around there. So I think what I'm going to do is the next slab is going to be 2 1/4 inches. So that's going to get me my seat blanks. Again, this is for Windsor chairs. So the section I'm after, these big areas in between the knots. So on this tree, the knots were about every 3 feet. So this log is a little over 6 feet long, I think. So about every 3 feet was a ring of branches that went all the way around the tree, which you can see on the end of the log. So I'm going to take out that to make 2 seat blanks, one there, and then I'll be close to the pit of the tree. I'll switch it back to 1 1/4 inches, take another tabletop board, and probably maybe take a couple of those to get past that pit, and then or I can take a 4-inch cut and then make table legs out of that. Basically just box out the center of the tree to keep that out of the boards that I want to make the seat blanks out of. Regardless, I'm going to do something. Let me get back to it.